Completely soaking wet. At least it's nice and cool. What's happening, guys? Well, today we are back out in Bald Eagle State Forest with Mr. Matt and Mr. Josh. Now, Mr. Matt was just telling me that his Versailles 650 has DRZ forks, and he's done a whole bunch of work to it to make that thing damn near bulletproof. But he learned how to ride on that thing in the rain on a big ADV meetup here in PA, and that's just insane, man. He said he rode dirt bikes as a kid, you know, nothing serious or anything, but ever since he got back into riding, he's been riding a 650 Versailles on the trails that we've been riding all day, and that's damn impressive, man. That thing's a big, heavy bike. More power to you, man. Good on you. Get it. Ride what you brought, right? That's the saying. But man, we have just been having a blast of a day. We had lunch at the Wilderness Lodge. It was awesome. If you guys haven't already, make sure that you get in on the giveaway. Make sure that you get in on the giveaway for the Viking Cycles jacket. Man, I did a review on it. That thing is awesome. It's a really nice jacket, and a big thank you to Cycle House for letting me put that up as a giveaway for 10,000 subscribers. That's just freaking killer. But yeah, if you ride anywhere that's like a little bit warm, or I mean a little bit cold, that's what you want. That thing is awesome. I use it all winter long. Where are we going here, boys? Where are we going? More dual sport loop. More Seven Mountains dual sport loop. It has been pouring down rain off and on all day. I don't even know if you guys can see right now, but it is what it is. Yeah. This isn't too bad, man. This isn't too muddy. Or at least it's not mud, it's not mud ruts. Mud ruts are the worst. Oh, look at this. Whoa. Okay, never mind, it's mud ruts. Still not as bad as those other ones. Oh, I don't want to be in the mud water. Can I get over right here? Yes, I can. It is absolutely gorgeous out here though, man. This is nice riding. There you go, Zena. Kick her down. But yeah, if you guys heard me talking about the KOA in Bellefonte. It was extremely nice. Definitely will be staying there again. However, it's not exactly super close to the trails. There's actually a campground called Seven Mountains Campground that's right across from the Sand Mountain entrance to this trail system. Yikes. Right? When in doubt, throttle out, right? And that's actually a great place to stay if you guys are going to come out here and ride this trail system, because it's super easy access into the trails. Wow, all this light's making it hard to see the rocks. So yeah, Seven Mountains Campground. And then, a little pro tip, there's a place called Seven Mountains Winery that's right around there, and they actually did the wine for Miss Stacy and my wedding. Very, very good wine. And they were just building it when we did that, when we got married. So they've been there about 10 or 12 years now. Miss Stacy and I might head over there and hit that up before we head home. These guys are flying. I'm back here trying to talk. I told him, I was like, it's been 7 or 10 months since I've been on a bike. I'm a decent rider, but it's been a while. It's definitely not riding through mud shit like this. But wow, these trails are beautiful. There's as far as I can tell on this trail system, only one super sketch spot. There's a GPX file that you can find on an ADV rider called Bald Eagle State Forest. What is it? Bald Eagle State Forest, comma PA. And the sketch spot's marked in red. And it's about 3/4 of a mile of just super steep, gnarly rocks going down. And I was telling these guys, you know, I probably would be game for it, but not really what I'm looking for in this trip. This trip is just kind of a get back on the bike and you know, get back into the riding, because I hadn't been doing it for a while. And they were like, yeah, no worries. I don't think they would really, I don't think it's really Versailles territory either. Ew. That's nasty. Just digging a rat. Oh, what? What? Keep going? I don't know what the deal is with that. I didn't hear him. Sorry, man. Lots of rocks. When I met these guys, where they were like, "Are you okay with rocks?" And I'm like, "Yeah, man. I came from Colorado. Basically the home of rocks. Rocks are perfectly fine." Ooh, those things being off center are kind of sketchy because you will slide right across them. But yeah, that's the official name for this is the 7 Mountains Dual Square Loop. Bald Eagle State Forest, Pennsylvania. Oh, you guys are probably so wet. Oh shit, don't get cross-threaded. That's what happened when I broke my mirror at freaking... Oh, ow. That was my face. That didn't feel so good. You guys still with me? Yeah. One thing they have a whole lot of in PA that we don't have in Colorado, vegetation. It is just beautiful, beautiful, beautiful out here. I think we might come up to an overlook up here at some point. Take a little picture for the Facebooks. Whoa. Ugh. Muddy, 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 muddy. Muddy. Oh. Uh-oh. Big one. Oh. Completely soaking wet. At least it's nice and cool. Try this side. This side, no trees. Woo! Yeah, Zing up. Oh, I missed this so much. Uh-oh. Try and whip you guys off. Whoa. I think I need to get a clear face shield for the Icon variant because I can't keep my face shield down and see anything. Not good. But now there's all bugs in my face is the problem.